In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an educational game on Lovable. We'll move from a blank canvas to a playable learning experience using Lovable's AI Builder, keeping everything simple, clear, and tailored to your learners. First, open your browser and go to lovable.dev. This is where you'll create and manage your app. Once you're on the home page, start by creating a new project. You'll see an option to begin fresh. Choose that and give your project a short, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Next, describe your game so Lovable's AI understands exactly what to build. You'll see an AI prompt box. This is the most important part of the setup. Think about 3 things before you type: who the game is for, what they should learn, and how the game should feel. For example, specify the subject, the age range or grade level, and the tone or visual style you want. The clearer you are, the better the first draft will be, and the less time you'll spend tweaking. In the AI prompt box, write a concise, complete description. Avoid vague statements like, make a quiz. Instead, explain the mechanics, pacing, and feedback the player will receive. If there are must-have features, call them out directly so the builder prioritizes them. Here's a strong example you can adapt. Build an educational game for kids to practice math. It should use multiple choice questions, include a timer for each question, and track the player's score across a session. Add 3 difficulty levels: easy, medium, and hard, so learners can progress. Use a fun, colorful interface with light animations to keep engagement high. Provide instant feedback for correct and incorrect answers so learners know why they're right or what to fix. Finally, include a leaderboard to show top scores and encourage replay. Paste that into the prompt box or tailor it with your subject and age range, then let Lovable generate the project. If your game focuses on addition and subtraction for younger learners, keep questions shorter and timers a bit longer. For older learners or more advanced topics, you can reduce the timer and increase complexity at the medium and hard levels. If accessibility matters, mention readable fonts, high contrast, and keyboard-friendly controls right in the prompt. When your project is created, review the generated screens to confirm the quiz flow, timer behavior, score updates, difficulty switcher, feedback messages, and the leaderboard. If something feels off, refine your prompt with precise changes and regenerate. That's the power of Lovable. Clear instructions in, polished learning games out.